guys, welcome back to Barimelts channel. Today we're going to be making protein balls that are bariatric friendly. So if you're interested, then just stay tuned. Alright, so for the recipe you're going to need 1 cup of packed dates, 1 cup of chopped ripe bananas, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 of a cup of powdered peanut butter, 1/2 a cup of oats, 1/2 a teaspoon of sea salt, 2 scoops of protein powder, and if you want a little bit more texture, you can add about a couple teaspoons of flax seeds. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, I just got a clear glass bowl to put the mixture in. But you're going to first start with your dates, and this is the brand that I'm using, the Natural Delights pitted dates. And dates are really awesome because they provide like natural sweetener to things, so this is going to really sweeten these protein balls up. So we're just going to pack them in to a measuring cup, and you're going to need 1 cup of them. Okay, so your cup of dates, go ahead and just put them in your mixture so you know how much you need there. Then you're going to take a banana and get about a cup's worth of bananas into the measuring cup. And you want this banana to be pretty ripe. This was the ripest one I had, so it's not the best, but it'll work. Alright, so you're going to pack them into the measuring cup the same way you did the dates. This came out to about a banana and a half for me of chopping them up. So go ahead and put them in there with the dates. Next you're going to take 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. This is going to give it that chocolate flavor that we want. Pour that cocoa powder in there as well. And then you're going to take 1/4 of a cup of peanut butter, or dried peanut butter. This is the brand that I like. It's the PB Fit. And it, as you can see, extremely healthy, 90% less fat, and 1/3 the calories of normal peanut butter. So this is a really great alternative if you are a peanut butter lover. So just take that 1/4 of a cup and dump it on in. Something I like to really do for these is I like to put a little bit of consistency in it, and I love the consistency of oatmeal. So I put about 1/2 of a cup of oats in this mixture as well. You don't really have to do it, but I just think that it adds a really cool texture. And then you're going to take your protein powder. Now you can do any protein powder you want. This is the brand I'll be using. It's the Kashi Go Lean in the vanilla flavor. This is my favorite way to do it, is with vanilla, because sometimes I feel like the chocolate with the cocoa just kind of gets too chocolatey. So this kind of balances out that flavor. But this has 20 grams of protein per 2 scoops, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to put 2 scoops in there. I have actually never used this protein powder before, and it looks very interesting. Greens, beets, and sprouted legumes and probiotics. That's pretty cool. So put your 2 scoops in that mixture as well. And then to just kind of add a little bit of salt, just to make it not so sweet, I like to use sea salt. I just do a couple of pinches of it, or about like 1/2 a teaspoon, but do it to however you like your flavor. And then this is completely optional, but today I want to try it with flax seeds. I really like the crunchy flavor of protein balls, so I just want to see what this does to it. So I'm just going to put like a handful of flaxseed in there. Yummy. We are obsessed with flaxseed in this house. Alright, so honestly, I did an extra step by putting it in here, but it's mainly just because I have such a small little food processor. I knew that there'd be more of a mix here, but you can just go ahead and put it in your blender. You don't have to like put it in an extra glass like this, because all you're going to do now is put all of these ingredients in a food processor and let it blend up until it forms like a dough. If for some reason your food processor decides to give out, you can also just mix it with your hands like this And just really make sure that you're getting those dates and bananas squished in really, really nicely. All right, so that is the consistency you are looking to have with the dough. So once everything's mixed, you're just gonna take like an ice cream scooper or just use your hands and form little balls with the mixture. And this will make sure that you really just keep the portion under control. Get them like this, where they're nice little sized balls. And you're just gonna put them on some wax paper or on a plate to put into the refrigerator. Then you're just gonna pop these bad boys in the refrigerator and let them harden, probably for about 20 to 30 minutes, but just keep an eye on them. I just pulled them out of the fridge, so let's give them a little taste. All right, here it goes. Oh my gosh, that is good. That is good. The dates and the bananas give it a sweetness that is just so good. You don't need any added sugar. You don't need any fake sugar. It is just seriously, like you saw the ingredients, super easy, super healthy, and just a really quick way for you to get an extra shot of protein and just the other yummies that come with it. So if you are interested in trying this recipe, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. But just make sure you don't go too crazy and just start popping these bad boys all day long, because the calories will add up. So have one a day and enjoy, and let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.